As a part of Varta 2018, we have had with us a few eminent personalities till date. And one amongst the list of personalities to have graced this institute, the Vinod Gupta School of Management, is Mr. Gautam Das Gupta, who is from the very famous company Capgemini. So Mr. Gautam Das Gupta is a director in the SAP business unit of Capgemini, and he had a very great session delivered to us on the role of IT in our lives and to be specific, in the industrialization that's going on in the IT sector today. So we have three questions for you, sir.
Yes.
So the first question will be, we talk about discretionary IT spendings happening today across the world. So since you have been in the industry for a long enough time, precisely 23 years, and have interacted with a number of CIOs, so what according to you is the biggest concern for a CIO today? What exactly are they asking for?
Okay. So CIO, of course, the biggest concern is that how they can control the cost. So because of the because of the complex scenarios, the way the market is changing, the way the business is changing, cost is becoming a quite important thing for them. So CIOs, the vision is that how the business process can be optimized, how the using the latest technologies, how the cost can be cut, how the profitability can be made high, contribution margin, and how the business can generate more revenue. Okay, so these are the things which they're looking into, and of course CIO has the answer that the latest softwares, the latest technologies which our partners like SAP or Oracle they're bringing, so they will be able to address those challenges. And in fact, our companies also have the latest eligible people who have the excellent management and consulting skills, by which they are able to analyze the correct requirements for the organization, and they are able to propose the right solution, right software, right technology for the company.
Thank you, sir. Sir, today there are a number of challenges that are there in any IT company. That's because of the changing market situation, changing technology landscape. So many of us are looking forward to join the consulting field in the years to come. So what do you think will be the challenges that most of us will look forward to face when we are maybe in a role where we have to perform IT change management?
Right. So basically the challenge is mostly again, that how you can bring an optimized solution for the client. That is what client is looking for. So your challenge is what I can see that mostly that how you can propose the best solution. Okay. So currently market is really dynamic. People do not know what will happen in the after the next 5 years or 10 years down the line. So, I mean, what companies are expecting, the CIOs, they are expecting that we should be able to come up with the visibility, with the vision, that what we should be going to do for them, what value additions we are going to bring, how we can improve their quality of delivery, how we can help in their business strategy, how we can help in their IT roadmap. Okay, so these are the value additions client is looking for. So for us, for you, we should be able to propose the right solution, right strategy for the client. That is what the challenge would be.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. And a general third question that we would like to ask you would be, what is your message for the students of Vinod Gupta School of Management, IIT Kharagpur?
Yeah, I think I've seen very bright students while I was interacting with them. So they came up with very good questions, and they understand what is the industry, how they work, how they behave. So my suggestion would be that utilize your strength wherever you are good. So you should be able to utilize your strength and go to that particular area. So your strength will really give not only you the benefit but also to the organization. So in terms of, I can give you an example. Suppose if you are good in the convincing client in terms of selling something, so you should be in the sales and you should play a good role there, that really you should able to help to client, yeah, with your sales knowledge and the experience. So I think definitely you should aim for to go, with your core strength and leverage it in the industry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your words. And I would like to thank you on behalf of the entire Vinod Gupta School of Management fraternity for such an exhilarating session of industry right from the live industry, from the battleground. So we look forward to hosting you many more times in the years to come and a continued association with you and your brand.